Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to turn yourself into a Barbie using the TikTok filter. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. As you can see, it's currently trending on TikTok, where people turn themselves into a Barbie. This filter will work well on a female rather than a male person. So it's completely free of charge and no subscription or purchases is required. So let me show you how to create this Barbie trend video on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search and you're searching for Barbie filter. Now in the search results you're looking for this Barbie filter here, which looks like this. It has a profile picture of two Barbies in the photo. Now to use it, you want to go ahead and tap on Use this effect at the bottom. Now you want to go ahead and press the record button, show yourself to the camera. And there you go, you've turned yourself into a Barbie. So there you go, that is how to turn yourself into a Barbie using the TikTok filter. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.